Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to create your custom player. In the beginning, let's go to settings, and now go to create player. Select between male and female. Pick avatar. Enter name, last name known as. Change commentary name. Kit name, kit number, country and region, theme, birth year, birth month, birthday. Next, you can adjust. Body. Position. Face. Fit kit. And animations. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.